Into Friday. By Saturday, that's when we see a little bit of improvement. That's when we're back into the mid-30s. Today hit a high of 23. Our low this morning was 0 degrees, so chilly start across the area today. Now we're still in those low 20s with a few spots starting to fall into the teens. It's 19 in DeKalb, 22 at O'Hare, and 24 at Midway, 27 in Joliet right now. 24-hour temperature change really significant. We're anywhere between about 20 and 25 degrees higher than we were at this time yesterday. I don't want to say warmer because it does not feel warmer outside, but those temperatures have risen over the past 24 hours. Still feels pretty chilly out there, especially because of those wind chills. We've seen those blustery southwesterly winds gusting about 30 to 35 miles per hour throughout the day. So that's just added to that cold feel in the air. Wind chills right now in the teens, 13 at O'Hare right now, 9 in Waukegan, and 10 degrees with that wind chill in Crystal Lake. There's our southwesterly winds gusting still about 20 to 25 miles per hour. So that's also having some issues with all that snow that we saw earlier today. We're starting to see that subside a little bit, so visibility not so much an issue right now, except across McHenry and Lake County. That's where we are seeing visibility down because of that blowing snow with those blustery winds. As we head through this evening, we'll continue to see another chance of some light snow showers come through. So mainly seeing cloudy skies right now with a few of those snow showers to the north, and then we'll continue to see another chance roll in as we head into this evening and overnight tonight. Only looking at the potential of maybe a half an inch of snow to maybe 2 inches with those higher totals expected closer to northwest Indiana. To the south, we're still keeping an eye on some very wintry weather across Florida and moving into the Carolinas now. Winter weather advisory still in effect there, as well as extreme cold warnings and freeze warnings in effect. Those areas really picked up some significant snow with that Gulf Coast snowstorm that moved through. Up to more than a foot of snow in portions of Louisiana fell yesterday, and up to 10 inches in Florida. They're going to get a little break from that cold weather as well as those snowy conditions as we head into the next couple days here. We have high pressure taking control. That's going to quiet us down across the central U.S., clear out a lot of cloud coverage for us as well. So tomorrow we will see some sunshine later into the day, starting with cloudy skies in the morning, and then a bit more sunshine expected in the forecast for our Friday. Colder air is still going to be around over the next couple days here. So we've had that cold air start to retreat, but what's going to happen tomorrow is we're still going to see that circle back down and plunge southward. So temperatures tomorrow expected to be just a couple degrees colder with a northwesterly wind in place. So that's going to have an impact on how it feels across the area. Those wind chills likely just into the single digits tomorrow. So it's still going to be cold for Thursday and Friday with those temperatures about 10 degrees below normal for this time of year. By Saturday, we briefly come back up into those mid-30s, and then the real warm-up happens early next week. Monday will be into the low 40s, and that starts a streak of expected 40s for a lot of the week to follow. So that's going to be a nice change from what we've seen. Temperatures tonight falling into the teens, cloudy skies, that snow likely looking around an inch for most of us, possibly up to 2 inches for areas around northwest Indiana. Tomorrow we're in the low 20s, cloudy skies to start, and then we will see a little bit of sunshine by the afternoon, possibility of some flurries in the morning as well. And then Friday, another cold day, temperatures in the low 20s, and we'll continue to see those chilly conditions with those breezy winds keeping our wind chills fairly low. Looking ahead though, Saturday, that's when we start to improve. We're into the mid-30s, and then we see those upper 20s